We're checking out live Doppler 2X tonight, and dry weather over the region after a couple of sprinkles earlier today. And we'll be dry tomorrow, but Wednesday another chance of some showers will be returning from the west as a cool front heads in our direction. Let's look back at the month of October. If you thought it was cooler than normal, you were correct. Actually ended up 2.6 degrees below average. Our precipitation for the month a little over 2 inches above average, so a cool, wet month. And what's kind of interesting here, mid-month is when we saw our coldest readings in the upper 20s, and the warmest was one day before Halloween on the 30th when we hit 78 degrees. And we're off to a fairly mild day here for November as we saw temperatures climb into the upper 50s. And the November temperature outlook, most recent one just coming out a couple of days ago, calling for temperatures to be above normal over the northern plains, the central plains, and into the Great Lakes. We're right on the edge of that. Equal chances of above and below normal temperatures over the eastern half of the country. So also I should mention the precipitation expected to be below average. So looks like we might turn around with temperatures a little bit above average and precipitation below average to make up, I guess, for the surplus we had in the month of November as far as the rain goes. High today, 59, 32 the low this morning, dropping down to that freezing mark with widespread frost. 77 the record high, 1987, and 20 for a record low in 1954. Tonight we are seeing a few scattered clouds still floating around. Those will be moving out overnight. We'll see those skies clearing out. Our temperatures actually come up a couple of degrees with our cool front moving in. There's just a little nudge of some warmer air ahead of that front, but we'll be cooling back off as we go through the overnight as the winds drop off and skies remain mostly clear for late tonight and early tomorrow morning. 69% the relative humidity. Temperatures tonight, most of our weather check readings, as you can see, in the mid and upper 40s. Betty, Shappy, and Versailles, 47 degrees. Bob Jacoby and Pickwood, 46. And then down south, one of the warmer readings, David Wessler up in New Paris, apparently seeing some of that slightly warmer air too at 50. But a lot of spots, especially some of those low-lying spots with the light winds tonight, have already dropped down into the low to mid-40s. But we are just now seeing that wind shift with the front coming through out of the northwest. Calm conditions east of us. If anything, a little bit of a south wind over the central and eastern part of the state. But you can really see the cooler air back northwest towards Fort Wayne and up towards the Chicago area. So that's the cool air that's going to be building back in here later tonight and tomorrow. Rain south of us, a few sprinkles northeast of us. Here's that little wedge of some clearing skies coming down our way, so we should be off to a sunny start tomorrow morning. A lot of sunshine through the day, maybe a couple of scattered clouds developing across the northern part of the state as we go into the afternoon. We can see some of that moisture develop on future track, but no rain expected as our front moves out and high pressure builds in from the west during the day on Tuesday. There are those scattered clouds across the northern part of Ohio. The high right on top of us tomorrow night, so that'll make it the coldest night of the early part of the week as we'll see readings down close to 30 degrees come Wednesday morning. Could even make the upper 20s, but I think we'll see some clouds move in and stop that drop in temperatures as we head towards sunrise. And then our next cool front comes through behind that. Might be a tad colder as we head towards Friday. Here's your forecast tonight. Clearing late tonight, low 36. Those clouds moving out and plenty of sunshine for Election Day, high up around 50. Your hour-by-hour forecast, upper 30s at 8 o'clock, mid and upper 40s throughout the day with plenty of sunshine, clear at 6 p.m. and 44. And you can go to our website. We've got a little web poll for you there. If you think it'll snow before Thanksgiving, you can click yes or no on that. And our forecast for the rest of the week, there's that slight chance of showers Wednesday. Cool on Thursday. Cold Friday morning, upper 20s, but then we see temperatures moderating, low 50s, upper 50s to near 60 as we go into the weekend. So right now, that first full weekend of November.